This question I got from my friend from an Insta story. I take a screenshot of it. The reason for that is I find it interesting and I find it funny the way she did it. So this is the question. It wants us to find the n value. So the sum of the product of the log, the series keep on going equals to 10. So it wants us to find the n. And this is her working, which basically just calls it out because she finds it not logic or she thinks it's wrong. And the final working she does is this: 10 times log 10 equals 10. Wow, what a fabulous conclusion that she made. But that's not the case. Okay, so how are we supposed to find the n value? Okay, this is what you need to do. Convert everything to base 10 first, so we can see the pattern, what is going on right now, because we can't really denote that what kind of series is this. So let us make it base 10 for everyone. So the base 10 formula, convert to base 10, put the number 3 here, 2, log 10 again, log 10 for 3, and multiply by log 10, log 10, 5, 4. Okay, so I'm just gonna rewrite everything as the question stated in. So for the log 10, this is n plus 1 and this is n. And for the right hand side, you don't have to convert. The reason for that, you are actually converting the base into another base that is the same thing. Okay, that is the same thing. Like, let's say 1 plus 1 equals to 2. We know that 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, but we can rewrite it as 1 plus 1 equals to 2 plus 0. We can write it like that, or we can write it as 3 minus 1. It's the same thing. We are just using different type of equation to represent another equation. So it's the same thing. So the reason why I'm making this kind of conclusion is because I'm making everything become base 10, but not for the right. You don't need to. You don't need. The reason you don't need is because it's the exact same thing. It's the same thing. You're just changing the meaning of the equation, the style to represent it. So you don't have to do that. So after you're making this kind of conclusion, right, you can actually mix stuff up. Why is that the case? Because if you take a look closely, this will cancel out. This will cancel out. If you realize it, everything will cancel out. Left with log 10 n plus 1 and log 10 2. Why is it these two are left out? Because if you think of it, this and this, the first thing I cancel out is the top and the bottom. That means in the end of the day, bottom will be cancelled out first. Okay? Yeah, that's it. So everything will left out, include these two, equals to 10. So how is to find the n? Easy. It's easy, right? So log 10 n plus 1 equals to 10 times log 10 2. Okay, so we solve for n. This will cancel out, left with n plus 1 equals to 10 to the power of 2 to the power of 10. Why? Because I bring it over, so I can cancel out the log 10 because we are doing comparison. So n is equal to 2 to the power of 10 minus 1. So it's a big number, so we actually don't have to express the big number, we just leave it in this form. So this is the correct answer. Well, we take a look. What she does is she just made up her own conclusion, making it like thinks the answer is 10. So yeah,